Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how we can embed another web page into our index.html and how can we redirect to other pages or websites using links. So let's start with embedding the web page. For this, we use the iframe tag. This tag creates a frame and displays another web page in this frame. So open an iframe tag. To tell the browser which web page to include, we use the src tag. Let's add the HTML Wikipedia page link here. Open with live server, and here we see that the default frame size is very small. So let's set its height equal to 700 pixels and width equals to 1000 pixels. Cool. We can see the whole Wikipedia page here now. Let's also specify a title for the frame. Okay, the iframe tag had pretty much only this. Let's move on to links. For including links to other pages in HTML, we use the anchor tag, that is A. To add the link which is to be visited, we use the href attribute. Let's check. And here specify the name that you want for your link. Okay, yes, we are redirected to the Wikipedia page. Now let's say we want our link to open in a new tab of our browser. So we can add a target attribute. Here you can specify target as blank for redirecting the link to a new tab. Don't forget to add an underscore before the B in the blank. Great. Now let's try to add another web page from our computer. I'll create it here as web.html. Let's write a paragraph and write a heading as web.xml just to know that we are redirected. Now we will modify the href attribute to the location of web.html. As it is in the same folder, we only have to include the name of the file with its extension. Now let's change the name of the link, that is what the link will be called. Okay, good, done. Now let's try to add a YouTube channel link in href. I'll add this subtests channel link. Okay, seems great. The next thing we will do is add an image then. When we click on it, we would be redirected to the link specified. So let's do this, guys. Add an image tag in the place of link's name, like this. At what location is our image? In the same folder. So add the source of the image here. Now let's set a width of 300 pixels and we are done. Let's check if it works. Okay, I clicked it and here we are redirected in the new tab. Okay guys, see y'all again. Don't forget to subscribe.